guys, it's been quite a few years to say the least. I have not made a video since I believe it was when I was 14, or not even, more like 13, but I'm back because I've tried a lot to make it better, make things better since I made my last video, but they haven't gotten better, ultimately. So I'm back. I left for a while because I lost some motivation. And that would be one of many things that I would come to lose motivation for over the past few years as the years have gone by. But I want to say it was one of my first mistakes when it comes to this idea of giving up. I've given up on quite a few things since I made my last video. Boy, I thought I was going through it then. I'm really going, and have been really going through it since. I'm not sure that I ever made it very clear if I was going through something or not during the time. Perhaps I just didn't find it an important detail to mention. But obviously middle school is a hard time for anyone, for everyone, most people I've seen at least. One thing I didn't expect was for life to take continuous bad turns as I got into high school. And I don't mean continuous as in, oh, bad stuff is still happening. Of course bad stuff still happens. No matter what age you are in your life, bad stuff happens. It just happens. But like, okay. But like, what I mean by bad stuff is like, I don't think I ever quite got a rebound from the onset effect of my life's changes. I don't think I ever figured it all out, figured out where to go, and I've grown more and more self-destructive over the years. And this is not to say my entire life has been shit, because there are blessings in many things, even little things, damn near every day, let alone 365 days, again and again, but I don't know, I go in and out of these phases where in a way, I'm convincing myself that things will be okay. Because I find a way to distract myself from my feelings or reframe my thoughts, but it doesn't quite seem to last. Because then, next, these onset phases of absolute emptiness and loneliness and loathing, both of the self and of others and of the world, come in and sweep me away from my fantastical ideals of, well, seemingly fantastical ideals of true discovery and true awareness and satisfaction with things. And it's pretty hard to explain, but talking to a therapist doesn't help. It doesn't seem to help. You know, you'd think getting the thoughts out to a therapist instead of a camera would maybe do something. It doesn't. Not for me. I'm not saying others shouldn't do it, but for me, it hasn't done much. It feels like more of an empty conversation than even this does. So, a part of me figured maybe I should return, at least to make this video. This is disclaimer without the promise of other videos, but I figured maybe I should come back at least to make this video years later, because a part of me felt a pulling attachment to the younger me, the me who made the videos you see before you on this channel. A part of me felt drawn to it because as the years go by, more and more of my childhood, and when I say childhood, I mean ages 11 and under, more and more my childhood seems far away. And my mid kind of way, you know, which was middle school when I was making videos here, is in a lot of ways the most of what I can recall now. And this channel and the videos on it, of course, help to remind me of what can be recalled. And I will say one thing, at least until the 8th grade, was that I had some sort of focus and motivation to my functioning. But that has waned more and more in a critical way as the years have gone by. I have felt less and less motivated, and presently, and by presently I mean for months now, I really want to say that this entire year thus far, as it's coming to an end at this point, I felt not very motivated at all. I haven't felt really motivated. I felt lost. I haven't even felt like I can recognize myself anymore many days. So recognizing the me that I recognize and the me that recognized itself back then, it's almost therapeutic in a way. So, what else could I say? I mean, I'm sure I could say plenty more. Plenty. But that might be boring, first of all. If anyone even sees this. Secondly, there's far too much to say, even more than I've already said. So, maybe I'll leave it here. Um, Maybe I'll make another video. Maybe it will be tonight. Maybe it will be in the near future. Maybe it will be in the far future. If it is at all,